Hello everyone and welcome back to our series of video tutorials. My name is Bogdan and in this video you will learn how to benchmark the CTR performance of your website from two perspectives, SERP features and organic search. This way, you can find which types of results bring a greater number of clicks to your website and analyze the reasons behind a lower than average CTR for a given position range. Pairing stats from the Search Console with AWR's advanced SERP feature tracking capabilities, the CTR Trends report lets you benchmark your website's CTR performance against global trends for the keywords that were found triggering universal result types such as featured snippets. Checking the average position where the SERP feature is likely to be found, we can clearly see that the CTR performance of the tracked website is better than the global average for the positions where you're likely to find featured snippets. But do they bring better clicks or traffic to the website as opposed to a regular organic blue link listed on top of the SERPs? To answer this question, let's look at AWR's CTR tool, freely available on our website. This reveals the CTR for SERPs containing featured snippets and how it stacks up against the values for organic-only SERPs across the same position range. It appears that the CTR of a regular first-place organic entry is vastly higher than that of the featured snippet listed on the same slot. While the CTR performance of the tracked website for featured snippets is better than the global one, it's well below that of an organic listing in the first place. This would mean that we should do more research and establish whether ranking with a featured snippet is the way to go if we want better traffic. Besides the CTR difference for the top position, we can clearly see that organic positions right below a featured snippet seem to enjoy better CTR than in the case of organic positions that are below a regular organic result. Therefore, if our tracked website is already ranking organically just below the snippet, we'll actually enjoy greater CTR than we would if the first position was organic. Now that we've benchmarked the CTR performance of results pages with featured snippets, let's find the most frequently triggered SERP features for our Search Console keywords. This way we can check how many clicks they drive and see if it's a result type worth looking into. As we can see, 68.2% of the keywords in our Search Console sample data are triggering people also ask results, a higher percentage than the global average. The chart also tells us that while the project's overall CTR performance on the position ranges where we're likely to rank for people also ask blocks is better than the global average, our keywords occupying top positions are getting about half the CTR they should normally achieve in a SERP containing people also ask results. To better investigate, let's find the keywords listed on top positions with a lower than average CTR. After adding them to the AWR project for tracking, we can better monitor them in the future. Besides benchmarking the CTR performance and finding the result types that drive the best traffic on their respective position ranges, the CTR Trends report is also the place to find which keywords trigger result types that will best increase brand awareness to your website. For our example, knowledge panels and feature snippets are the best option, and here are the keywords that were found to trigger those exact result types. Custom filters will help narrow down the highest value keywords with the best ratio of impressions or clicks. If the global value and that of the website are close, the SERP feature can be achieved with relative ease. Moving on from the SERP features trends, now we can benchmark project versus global CTR values for organic searches. Here, CTR trends can be narrowed down to industry. The dynamic filters will help reveal the keywords in a given position range, which show a lower than global average CTR. Once we add them to the project in AWR, we can find the most recent ranking position for the tracked keywords on a desktop or mobile search, along with how much visibility it's likely to get based on their positions. Opening the SERP that was retrieved for those keywords, we can see how far our website's results are above or below the fold. This will further influence how many impressions we get and also how likely it is to grow our traffic. Remember, with AWR, you can benchmark your website CTR performance for universal and organic search, find the most recommended result types to increase traffic or brand awareness, and see what's behind lower than average CTR. Thank you for watching and please be sure to check out our other video tutorials.